To consistently produce paper cups with high capacity and quality, choose NEWTOP high-speed intelligent paper cup machine. Today, we would like to introduce to you the NEWTOP-1250S high-speed intelligent paper cup machine. It is widely used for customized high-end bowls, noodle bowl, soup bowl, and ice cream bowl, etc. This machine is excellent for making 12 to 45 ounces cold and hot paper bowls of 200 to 330 GSM paper thickness with a smooth running of 120 pieces per minute capacity. Stability and quality come from excellent structural design and high precision components. Importing the world's top digital processing center, Mazak flexible intelligent production line, and processing equipment such as Sugami, Duzan, DMG, and Harding to ensure every component on the equipment, which is high precision requirement. 1250S has more attractive appearance compared to 1250SY. Direct suction upgraded to single rotary suction paper. The original feeding in of the paper blanks is the vertical suction, need to have the problem of paper jam by transferring the paper blanks through the paper block strip. Now, we have upgraded to use the single rotary suction system to make the paper blank feeding smoothly working by transferring directly into the runway to avoid the unstable collision and paper jam. Paper blank folding system adopts hot air and ultrasonic to enhance the firmness of paper side bonding. Double bottom heating working system make the bottom fully heated to ensure the bottom bonding tightly. Dual station top curling system make the cup ring curling more perfect. NEWTOP strives for perfection and deeply cultivates the field of paper cup machine for 23 years. With the craftsman's spirit, the pursuit of high quality, and the concept of leading technology, we strive to create new value for our esteemed customer every time. Stable, durable, high capacity and quality. The Bow intelligent paper cup machine makes the work so simple.